Look, let me tell you one thing that I've noticed, and that is that with the 27th night, people think that Ramadan ended. But that's not the case. And in fact, what's really, really important is that tonight's an odd night. Just as much as a possibility as Laylatul Qadr on the 27th night, there's a possibility that it could be tonight too. There's 2 more days of Ramadan. And every minute in Ramadan is incredible. Every minute in Ramadan is incredible. So don't assume that Ramadan ended on the 27th night. We still have 2-3 more days. And they are valuable. You can really attain Allah's itqun minan nar, freedom from the fire, in these next 2 days. So one of the big things on this night is the dua which the Prophet ﷺ taught Aisha radiallahu anha to use on this night. Everybody should memorize it by tonight. I've mentioned it every night. There should not be a person who leaves this masjid except that they memorize this dua. And it's so easy. Allahumma innaka afuwan. Oh Allah, verily you are forgiving. Allahumma innaka afuwan. Allahumma, oh Allah, innaka, verily you, afuwan, are forgiving. Tuhibbul afwa, you love to forgive, fa'fu anni, so forgive me. 9-10 words, easy to memorize, because fa'fu, this whole base is in there 3-4 times. Allahumma, everybody knows, right? Allahumma, oh Allah, innaka, verily you. Tuhibbul afwa, you love, Allahumma innaka afuwan, verily you are forgiving, oft forgiving. Tuhibbul afwa, you love to forgive, fa'fu anni, so forgive me. Anni, from me, so forgive from me, meaning forgive me. Very easy. Everybody should memorize this before they leave the masjid, and everybody should recite this tonight. When Aisha radiallahu anha goes to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asks, what is the best thing that I can do if I find Laylatul Qadr? And then he subsequently tells her this. He tells her this with an extreme degree of love and hoping that she will benefit. So if there's something better, he would have told her. Definitely. So we should take advantage of this dua. Recite this 10, 15, 100 times before you leave. Memorize it this Ramadan. Inshallah, you'll use it for the rest of your life. You'll teach it to your children, teach it to your wives, teach it to your mothers, teach it to your brothers, teach it to everybody. It amazes me that many people don't know this dua. It amazes me how many people don't know this. And it's so easy. Allahumma, oh Allah, innaka afuwan. Verily you are forgiving. Tuhibbul afwa, you love to forgive. Fa'fu anni, so forgive me.